how to fix Alight Motion video not exporting on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue like Alight Motion video are not exporting to your iPhone gallery. So let's get started. First, you'll have to just check for the export settings from your Alight Motion. Like before exporting, make sure you have selected video.mp4 or any file extension, then tap export to save to device. If you confirm it and still having problem, open the settings. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From the app section, find out the application Alight Motion. After you find it, tap on that. From the section, tap on photos at the top. And from here, choose for the options like full access. After you give the access for full access to Alight Motion, it will save the exported video on your iPhone gallery. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check for the enough space for your iPhone. For that, open the settings again and from the settings section, tap on general. From the general, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, check for the storage available or not for your iPhone. Low storage can block some saving videos. At last, you can try to restart or re-export. Close the Alight Motion app fully and reopen and try exporting again. And that's it. Your exported video should now appear in your iPhone Photos app. If you found this video helpful, follow for more iPhone and creator tips. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.